Okay, so I just want to make a good point here, or some points here, in trading in these volatile, well, heady markets might be a better term for it. I mean, we've had so many stocks just go like crazy and catching them every day. CPAH here this morning, the rare from 52 to 60 or 58, whatever it is, Nectar from 20 to 27. These are all huge moves that we've participated in today. We're watching IMD up a couple of bucks. I mean, we're feeling bad if a stock doesn't move $2 or $3. We're thinking, no, it's hardly worth doing a trade. This MBOT over 12 traded close to 14. So, and we're making a lot of money here today, well, every day of late. And so there's a couple of things you want to remember, you have to be very careful about, is not to let your emotions get into the trade. Let's not get excited. Let's just keep an even keel on what the business at hand, and that's making money. We need to remember to continue to continue on AAA setups. We're not looking to do subpar setups. Now, for instance, I was just talking about BTAI, and I was thinking, I should take this trade because I made a bunch of money today, and it's up, it's breaking out. But then I look at it, and it's a 12-cent spread right now. It's been 15-cent spread. It's only traded 380,000 or something like that. Yeah, 385,000. It's had a big move. It's up 288. It's up 24% already. Can it go? Sure, it can continue on. But what's the odds of it doing that? It's probably at best 50-50. This is a 50-50 trade at best. Maybe only 33%. 33% it goes up. 33% it stays sideways. 33% it comes down. So that's not the kind of trade we're looking for. We're looking for a trade like this, Nectar, that had a catalyst, huge short position, and the market taking off. I mean, and we get in at this level here. This is the kind of trade we want to do. We're not looking to, so a couple, so we want to make sure we trade smart, we stick to our patterns, we don't let greed get in the way, as we don't want to have fear in the way. We've got to keep our emotions out of the trade. And don't let all this excitement, if you're excited, go for a walk. Take a break. Don't trade. It's really easy to overtrade when you're making money and you end up giving part of it back. The idea is to keep it all, not give it back. And what happens in the psychology of it is you think, okay, I've got a big green. You're looking at your screen. You say, oh yeah, I'm up $1,000 today. So I've got a good cushion. I'm going to try this stock. And it goes against you and you lose $200-300. Well, okay, I'm still up 700. Now I got to get that back. And you do another silly trade. So just remember, each trade is a trade unto itself. Don't think about how much money you've made today or lost today. That has nothing to do with it. And you want to take each trade as it comes. And the other key point is, remember, take your profits when you can. You want to take your profits when you can. So, for instance, on this Nectar right now, let's say, so we sold some along the way. So you sell some up in here, hold some. It did break down. I got stopped out, but then it goes and it gets back to the top of the channel. You sell a little bit there, and then if it breaks, you want to go at that. You want to sell stock when you can, not when you have to. You want to take profits when you can, not when you're forced to. That's the best strategy. Now, sometimes we're forced to take it when it comes to our stops and we get stopped out. But we've already paid ourselves along the way, so we're only getting stopped out on a little bit of the piece. So just remember, stay calm. Stay calm. Keep the emotions out of it. Look for AAA setups. Don't be just flying at stocks because they're up or down. And so we want to make sure we look for good stocks, good trades, good charts. And I'm always here to look at charts. If you want me to look something over for you, post it and I'll look at it. And within 37.5 seconds, I'll give you all the information you need to know whether it's a trade or not.